Vic with V-Twin now, and today we're going to be taking a close look at these heavy hitter motorcycle gloves by ODIN Manufacturing. Alright, so here are the gloves by ODIN Manufacturing. They have a lot of padding on the knuckles, on the fingers, as you can see right here, on the top of the glove, and on the wrist right here. They're kind of reminiscent of an MMA or a bag glove, hence the name, the heavy hitters. They're made from a high-end perforated cow leather, as you can see on the top. They feature reinforced dual layer palms, which in theory should increase the lifespan of the gloves. This is typically where you see the first signs of wear on a motorcycle glove because that's the part that's coming in contact with the grips. The gloves also feature some anti-slip magnets right here at the base of the glove. So what's cool about this is you can toss these puppies on your motorcycle tank and they'll stick to the tank. So that's cool. You don't have to worry about them falling off, ending up on the ground, getting all dirty or whatnot. And finally, the gloves feature flip tip fingers, which I've never seen in a glove. So this is really interesting to me. You just pull back the index finger or your thumb, and now this comes in really useful when operating your phone. A lot of guys use their phone for navigation when they're going on rides. And typically I have to take my gloves off to use my phone. Now all you need to do is flip the index or thumb and you can go wherever you need to go. And then to put it back, you just simply grab and pull back. This comes in useful when using the D-rings on your helmet chin straps, tightening it up, the gas pump pin pads. So aesthetically, I love the glove. Has a really clean design. I like the tags, they look really sharp. The nice rubber logo placement on the wrist right here. You can tighten up your gloves, as well as the logo right on the top of the wrist. As far as the feel of the gloves, they feel excellent. Now I've only worn these a couple times, so they're not really worn in yet, but and they still look brand new, but they feel excellent. The fitment is great. A lot of quality craftsmanship in the stitching. Highly recommend these. For more information on these gloves, you can visit the manufacturer's website at odinmfg.com. That's ODIN Mfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, as well as clicking on that notification bell. If you'd like to purchase these gloves, we've provided links in the description below where you can do that. And finally, make sure you visit vtwinnow.com. Thanks a lot.